गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो डायरेक्टली आई वांट टू कम ऑन द टॉपिक. We have started the chapter surface chemistry, and till now we have discussed only one topic of that. And what is that? We have discussed the phenomena of adsorption. We compared that with absorption. So we discussed simultaneously what is the difference between adsorption and absorption. After that, we discussed that what are different type of adsorption. We discussed there are mainly of two types. First is physioadsorption, means physical adsorption. Second is chemiadsorption, means chemical adsorption. So we discussed how to differentiate this physical and chemical adsorption. Now what is our next part of concern? That is, I want to repeat that we are going to the next topic, that is catalyst. So come on the board. I want to show you what is our next topic, that is catalyst. Now question arises, how, what is this catalyst? What is this catalyst? So catalyst, this is a substance which increases the rate of a chemical reaction. It increases the rate of a chemical reaction. Now if it increases rate, how it increases, what are its types, how it can be classified, this all we are going to discuss today in detail. So I'll start with its definition. Its definition is simple, that it enhances, it increases the rate of a chemical reaction. Rate of a chemical reaction. Now, what are its types? It has two types. It is of two types. First one is homogeneous catalyst. Second one is heterogeneous catalyst. Now we have discussed what is catalyst. I want to take one example of this catalyst first. H2O2 in the presence of, simple, I have taken H2O2 in the presence of cadmium. When we heat that get dissociated into water and oxygen. So what is the role of this PDM? This act as a catalyst. If we will not use this catalyst, this breakdown into these products will be slower comparatively. That's why we use this catalyst cadmium to increase the rate of this chemical reaction. Now I want to discuss homogeneous and heterogeneous. If homogeneous is a part of our concern, that I want to say that homogeneous is that catalyst in which the phase of reactants and phase of the catalyst are same. Means if reactants are in liquid state, then catalyst is again in liquid state. If reactants are in solid state, our catalyst is also in solid state. If reactants are in gaseous state, then that is also in gaseous state. Means same state they are having. Now what is its functioning functioning way, कैसे ये वर्क करता है, how it works? So I want to say it works on the activated complex theory. Now what is activated complex theory? I want to suggest you one example for that. If I am having A and B, I want to change them into AB, means they are separate. After reaction they will combine to form AB molecule. So they are doing this very slowly. If I am using a catalyst X, what catalyst X did? X firstly combine with any one of them and form AX molecule, and now this AX molecule is bit more reactive to react with this B molecule, and this will form AB and X will come out of it after the completion of the reaction. This is the working pattern of a catalyst. It reacts with the reactants and force them to react, and after the reaction it comes out safely. Now what it did in this reaction? So in homogeneous catalyst, what it did in homogeneous catalyst, it react with any one of the reactant, and after reacting with that reactant it form a activated complex. This is activated complex. Activated complex means this is reactive part and it reacts faster with this V. So after this reaction become faster and production of AB is faster. Reaction rate has been increased. This is the working pattern of homogeneous catalyst. Let us talk about heterogeneous catalyst now. Let us talk about heterogeneous catalyst now. How heterogeneous catalysts work? It works with the help of adsorption. I am taking a catalyst. This is catalyst. This whole molecule is a catalyst. Suppose I want this reaction. Again, this AB molecule. This after reaction, it will breaking into A and B. A becomes separate and B becomes separate. Now what this catalyst did? It firstly absorbed this AB molecule on the surface of its surface of that catalyst. After some time, because of the adsorption, AB interaction become weaker, and with the help, because of that, what happened? Just you can see, just because of that, A and B, the bonding between A and B break down and AB becomes separate. And when they become separate, it leaves it, and catalyst similarly comes directly out of the game. And what happens when it removes out, it comes out when reaction completed. This is the working pattern of a catalyst. How it complete this work in the case of heterogeneous catalyst, when the phase is not same. If reactants are liquid, it could be gas, it could be, means phase is different. I have discussed what is the meaning of phase. Now I want to say how it worked there. It worked with the help of adsorption. It force the reactants to get adsorbed on the surface, it breaks it bonding on the surface, and after that it recovers back. So it, because of the help of that, this breaking between AB bond become faster. So it has increased this rate of reaction because of this adsorption. That's why I will call it that it is a heterogeneous catalyst, and it worked with the help of adsorption. But the case of this homogeneous catalyst was bit different. In case of homogeneous, it was forming a activated complex. Activated complex means it react with any of the reactant and form a species which become a complex species, activated species, and reactive species. This reactive species react faster with B molecule and reaction become fast. It forms activated complex, reactive activated complex for the completion of the reaction, but heterogeneous work with the help of adsorption. So I have discussed till now what I discuss what is catalyst. It has two types: homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous works with the help of activated complex theory, and heterogeneous works on the phenomena of adsorption. I explained you how they work with the help of one example, and I request you go through this. If you are not able to understand once, you go through 2 times through this video, and if after that you have any problem in that, you can give me a call or you can give me a message in the group. And in this video, this is all about catalysts. So thank you, have a nice day.